DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, the Dan is back in the building. Yeah, man, gang, we're there, you know, back in the building, you know, with the artist. This is the artist that's new to the channel. First time I listen to the artist, yeah. You see me, we're there with none other than the one, the youth. It's been going pretty, making a little bit heat, a little bit of buzz on social media because of the new track, new Riddim is on, and who's collabing with. Today we're there with Tishaine. You see me, there with DJ Frass, Make It Bounce, Party Bus Riddim. You see me? Yeah, man, a lot of people been talking about the Riddim. I said the Riddim are going crazy. You see me? I say, and the artists, them on it, I go crazy. You see me? One of them I go have a buzz is Tishaine. I check it out, so the dog I deal with. The one I need Make It Bounce. You see me? We have all of the vibes from Changa, you know. I see where dog I deal with. Hopefully, the dog got a banger. You see me? I say, yeah, man, we have all of them. Tishaine, DJ Frass, Make It Bounce. Let's get it, gang.
Make it bounce now. Hey, mama, make it bounce. No. Bounce. Nah, girl, make it bounce. Don't stop it with the man done. She a shake up the ass cause she said we got funds.
Oh, you gonna start off if you don't like that time? Brother, you gonna start off? Yeah, that's how you start off a video. That's all you start. That's all they get. Shit.
Make it bounce. Bounce. No. Bounce. Nah, girl, make it bounce. Don't stop it with the man done.
Mama right here, so dog. What she doing right here? That's magic. That's magic, bro. Come on.
She a shake up the ass cause she said we got funds. But we pull up, boy, run, cause them say them a braff, and them a braff, look at chums. Never chat to a skull in a traffic yet. And me play hard, but my dog still a boss it head. That know you like me live in nice states. A young boss, night place, man.
Easy. Me like the youth, you see me? The youth, me like how the dog sound on the track. The dog sound wicked on the track. We have that delivering tune and the beat going crazy. I'm gonna cater to the girl and say, dog, you can't go wrong you. Come in.
Make it bounce.
It's bad, man. This is gonna sound crazy in the club. This is gonna sound crazy.
Bounce. Bounce. No. Bounce. Nah, girl, make it bounce. Don't stop it with the man done. She a shake up the ass cause she said we got funds.
Yeah.
But we pull up, boy, run, cause them say them a braff, and them a braff, look at chums. Never chat to a skull in a traffic yet. And me play hard, but my dog still a boss it head.
Oh, me play hard, but me still a boss it. Easy now, man, come
on. You like me live in nice states. A young boss, night place. Man, I make it be my sneeze like sinus. Man, I walk across way like giant up. This a bitch half a day when me drive out.
Mad, come in.
Be my sneeze like sinus. Man, I walk across way like giant up. This a bitch half a day when me drive out. Please, mama, shake us for me right now. Man, I make it be my sneeze like sinus. Man, I walk across way like giant up. This a bitch half a day when me drive out. Please, mama, shake us for me right now. Get the ice sky booze, no for chase knife. Like a puffy bass, cocky like vapors.
Easy now, man. That going hard, bro. No cap, come in.
Party the party bus, they are weird. Can't left skull, couple girl, they got shake. Young boss, night place, bust it do a 𝐑𝐄𝐂, 2-9 not safe. Yeah. Easy, let me run up and down in a maze. From room boss, pull up and the vibes have a start.
Dog doing this thing on this one. This beat go crazy too, bro.
Syntax of a plus the shorty. Yo, Frass believe me man charge. Young in a whoop, I'm a sassy. Miguel got a girl in a ex. I know me and the liquor make me go fuck back me ex. Love pussy bad, love it when she broke your body head. And I say me full of style, she will never fuck again. But I like that. So me make it be my sneeze like sinus. Man I walk across me like China. Me girl got a girl in her ex. I know me and the liquor make me go fuck back me ex. Love pussy bad, love it when she broke your body head. And I say me full of style, she will never fuck again. But I like that. So me make it be my sneeze like sinus. Man I walk across way like giant up. This a bitch half a day when me drive out. Please mama shake cause for me right now. Man I make it be my sneeze like sinus. Man I walk across way like giant up. This a bitch half a day when me drive out. Please mama shake cause for me right now.
Must sneeze like sinus, yo. Keep me must sneeze like sinus. Come in.
I mean, nigga duffel full up of cash. She love it coke and me never say a crack. Me tone out designer, man a rap glass soft gas skinny get the weed night back mad. If I know room a lucky globe then I'm up. Fuck up dance I did live in night shop. Now I know I'm go my 4 pocket them fat. Man I make it be my sneeze like sinus.
Tio, me keep my sneeze like sinus. Come in now, man.
Man I walk across way like giant up. This a bitch half a day when me drive out. Please mama shake cause for me right now. Man I make it be my sneeze like sinus. Man I walk across way like giant up. This a bitch half a day when me drive out. Please mama shake cause for me right now.
I'm gonna go crazy too, you know. I'm gonna go crazy in that video too, you know. No crazy, bro. Tishaine, big up your blow self, you hard. Enough potential there. You see me and say, gang? Let me know if you know about Tishaine, dog. How long has he been doing music? You see me and say? Let me know all that. You see me and say, where him come from? Drop some info, me know about the artist. You see me and say, where him come from? You see me how long he's been doing music? What was the first song you heard from him? Is this the first time hearing about this artist? You see me and say, who else is on the big the party bus with him? That's that you want me to react to. That's lit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. This shit going crazy. Tishaine, big up yourself. DJ Frass, big up yourself, gang. Drop your comments if you like it. Definitely go show the artist some love and support, making most of the dance and everything. See me and say, gang? Yeah, man. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's talk about it. Let's chop it up. Let's discuss this new artist. Where is he from? How long he's been doing music? What song you heard from him? What's his best song? Let me know all that in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. I appreciate y'all for the love and support. See the comments, the likes, the engagement. Appreciate it. We're growing strong over here, gang. We soon pass. Right now we're like on the way almost. We're at 5,500. We're at 5.5k. You see me almost at 5.6. We're gonna shoot past 6k. You know, by the month done. You see me by the end of the year it should be at. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate the engagement. Growing strong over here. I appreciate all y'all, man. Don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.